Hello everyone, it's Architect Upshita. Good morning to all, and I'm keeping this video short and crisp so that you get an idea about who I am. I am an architect, plus I'm an wall artist, and I do various kind of wall pots and wall designs, and along with that, I am a choreographer or a dancer. So if you are interested to do any kind of like this works and in any future dance endeavors or artistic works, you can definitely subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon to get the notifications. So basically these are my old works, but I wanted to show you all this to get an idea that what everything, how the wall arts or these are the pot arts, how these pot arts are happening and what can be basically used, the ideas that are there, and how you can make it special, make it look special, and gift it to any person whom you want to, like a handmade pot, and they will be feeling very happy and privileged to see, to get a handmade gift work. So for this we need basically two things, which is the Faber-Castell pencils, which comes in two grades. This is I am holding in the higher grades, that is 2B, 4B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 8B, and the lower grades come in the H, which is 2H, 4H, 3H, to get the fineness of the pencil. Once you get fine pencils and Fevicryl colors, I have a lot of Fevicryl colors because I do a lot of wall arts. So when you get all these colors, first you have to put the design in the wall arts or in the spot arts, and then you have to be very careful while coloring them and mixing the colors, because there is where you will get an idea how the color works. And once this all things are done, you will get your final result superb. So let me show you a wall art. So this is the first one which I had done. It is actually a Om, but if you mark it, it is having it is Om like this, with one of its ear is like a mirror Om, and it is a Ganesh Ji. I had put some petals also, the petals of flowers and the butterflies, but overall the wall art came very beautiful. Similarly, I have done some wall arts in Bangalore, and in big wall arts, like those are not small ones. This is a small patch of land that I have, patch of area that I have done. If you want, I can do the full part also, or a full wall. If you want, I can design a full wall of wall arts. So if you can see clearly how the merging of colors has taken place, how nicely it has blended, how the colors have come out. These are the same colors that I showed you. The way you represent, the way you do the work, the way you give your best, it only shows it only brings out the wall art into life. Apart from that, we also learn glass painting, where I have given the backdrop as black, because then the aluminum foil which is being pasted inside, it will come very nicely and like a popping color. So this is a rose and this is a parrot. So these are two wall hangings that I have done. So like this also you can learn different glass painting works. So if you see here, it's a simple pot, but I have painted it like a galaxy paint. Actually, it's again a year back right now, so it has lost its chroma and luster, but still you can see that it has come out so nice. It's a simple pot, so if you want like this all designs, it can be very nicely and easily done at home, and I will be always there for you to guide you to do this kind of designs.